Hello friends, I'm just going to unbox this mobile phone Infinix Hot 30i. So I have just ordered this mobile phone, okay? And see, this is Hot 30i. Let's check it how it's the mobile phone, okay? So firstly, before we unbox and review this mobile phone, please like my channel and subscribe, okay? So friends, here you can see it is 128 GB and 16 GB B 8 plus GB RAM, okay? 50 MP dual all camera, okay? Let's check it, and from here you can check by just checking some screenshot from the video, okay? You can check this important notices about the 5 mAh battery, this all, okay? The core octa, this everything you can check it, okay? So right now I'm just going to unbox this mobile phone. It says warranty only in India, make in India, okay? So I just going to check this mobile phone. It's very hot. Here we have finished to unbox, and inside the box you can see friends, it says 50 MP. Here is our mobile phone. Let's check out it, okay? So here is the mobile phone, you can see, okay friends. Let's see inside the box. Firstly we just put this mobile phone, after we can check it, okay? So inside the box you can see the adapter and the wire, okay, cable wire. So you can see it's look like this. You can see friends how it's look. You can check it also inside it is, okay, how much it is. See. So friends, here it has given the cover also. See, it's very nice. It's transparent cover, okay, for the mobile phone. And here is just some important about the manual, okay, user manual. You can check this one after if you want to check it. And here is the SIM ejector, okay. So it has give like so specially inside the plastic so that it won't gone wrong here and there, okay? So let's put this all outside, okay? Let's put it outside and check the mobile phone how it is, okay friends? So friends, here is our mobile phone Hot 30i, Infinix Hot 30i, how it look like. So here is our mobile phone. You can check the phone. This is Infinix, okay friends? So let's put the cover. If you want to check it, you can check. See friends, everything is nice, okay, it's good. Let's try it inside the cover and check it again, okay? See, so here we can switch on it also, and you can check the inside the side way also, okay? So let's check firstly this side way. I just check out the cover again. See, this is the side way, okay friends? This is the side way. This is the power button, this is the volume button, and here they don't give nothing is here. And here on this side you can see SIM, to insert the SIM. Here friends you can see the charger, speaker and the mic, and here the earphones, okay? So let's check inside the SIM what it has given, okay? Just open this SIM ejector. It's very hard, this one. So here it is. So friends, here you can see it has given two for SIM 1 and SIM 2 and the memory also, for the memory also. You can insert the memory also, okay friends? So I just put it again. So here friends, I have finished to insert, okay? And let's switch on it, okay? Friends, firstly you have to set up your mobile phone, okay? If you don't know how to set up, you can check the videos, okay? So let's switch on. I'm just switching on the mobile phone, okay friends? So here it has been finished to switch on, and let's wait for some minutes. So here you have to confirm your password. Okay, it says you have to confirm it. So here friends, I just set up, okay, I just set up my mobile phone, so that's why it came directly like this. Okay, it has switch on. Okay friends, so friends, I want to tell you that if you don't know how to switch on your mobile phone, please try to set up. Okay, and friends, I can show you the camera how it is. Okay, let's try the camera to just capture the mobile phone. Okay, it has given the slow motion, video, all camera, beauty, portrait or shot. Okay, so let's click just some few photos. So here is the photos. Okay friends, you can check the photos, and I have shot some videos also, you can check it. Okay friends, and I can record the video also, you can check. Oh yes, I have captured the photos. Here is the video. So friends, I can show you the sound also, how is the sound. Okay, let's check the sound. So friends, everything is good in this mobile phone, but if you want to check the screen, the how is the display color or how is inside the video. Okay, if you want to check it, okay, you can check it through from here. Suppose I'm just going to play this one, you can check how is the quality. Okay, so friends, here you can see the quality is very good. Okay, okay friends, and the music also very nice. You have finished to listen, so everything is good in this mobile phone and everything has given. Okay friends, and friends, hope you love this video, and if you like this unboxing and review this video inside this, you know only about the unboxing. I hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video and share the video and subscribe my channel. I do not make the video on setuping because the video will be too long if I make about it. Okay, so bye friends.